Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we will talk about how you can resolve if you are facing any issue that belongs to yum lock. If you are doing any root work, or you're trying to do something upgrade or anything that you're trying to run with the root access, and sometimes you find the error that is your yum lock is locked, and you can't do it until you clear that process, right? So I'm just going to demonstrate you the same thing, and how you can resolve it within a second without any delay, and how you can just use couple of command and you can do that. So let's see how we can just resolve it. So first become a root, and then I'm just doing yum upgrade, right, and hitting enter. Okay, now I'm just cancel this task in the middle of this process and trying to do the same thing. See, so now you can realize what is the error. The error is another app is currently holding the yum lock, waiting for it to exit, right? So it won't exit because I already just cancelled this process, but it is working in background, it is running in background. So what we have to do it, we just need to kill this process, and then we can go for yum upgrade again. So for doing this, we need to use ps -aux grab yum. So I'm just going to search yum where it's just holding this. So we found that this is the process id 3655, right? So let me just do it. If it is not working, then we need to do with a different way. Okay, so now you can see this process is dismissed, and we cannot see that right now. See, so now we can just try to run the same command and see what is the current update. So I'm just going to do yum upgrade, and it should work here. Fetching data. It's taking a bit time to load, but yeah, it should work until we receive that error, right? So this is how you can just try to remove your yum lock if it is locked somewhere. So that is the video I just wanted to show you, and thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly do subscribe and share and do something whatever you can also do. Thank you so much.